Hey guys, this is Cody with PSI Power. Today we've got a brand new 2025 Ford F-650 in the shop for some testing and development. Today we're going to be installing a module on this truck, so give us a few minutes, we'll open the hood and we'll show you where we're going to hook up. Alright, so now that we got the hood open, we're going to go straight to the map sensor. So it's located right here on top of the intake. Now, on this truck there is a bracket that mounts right on top of this that I had already taken off previously. So once you remove that, you'll have access to take the connector off. Take our harness, plug it into the sensor itself. Take the other side, plug your harness back into it, and then be sure to engage both locks. That side's done. Now we'll move over to the fuel pressure. Fuel pressure sensor is going to be located right down here on the fuel rail. Just a 3-pin Bosch connector. Take our female connector, plug it into the sensor itself. You should hear a little audible click. And then take your factory connection and plug it back into our harness just like you did on the map sensor. And engage that locking tab as well. Now the harness is installed. So now just take the excess wiring here, route it away from any heat, any moving parts such as the steering shaft over here, and mount this module and secure it however you would like. So give me a few minutes, I'm going to get that done, and then we'll wrap up this installation. Alright, so now I've got the harness mounted, I've got the map sensor. I went straight vertical with it and ran it across this wiring harness here. That way it's away from any heat. I've got the module mounted right here. It's out of the way, concealed, not going to see it. And then I've got the harness and the rest of the switch and everything mounted right here, so it's out of the way of everything that's hot or moving. So that pretty much sums up this installation.